Hasan does it again, shocking his dog without any accountability, making himself look humiliated. The world is watching his ego become so insufferable. Hasan does it again. Hasan does it again. Hasan does it again. Hasan does it again. Shocking his dog, letting it sit there for 4 hours and showing his true colors on what type of person he is. A clown who profess is his leftist agenda. Left-wing liberals love him, preaching equity and morals. Shocking his dog. Shocking his dog. Shocking his dog. Shocking his dog. Leftists will think they have domain over their animals and their enemies, showing lack of integrity, who run around like NPCs in the world stage, never learning to love your enemies close. Hasan does it again. Hasan does it again. Hasan does it again. Hasan does it again. You wanna win with your political agenda, but showing the opposite of what is unethical. Nothing but immoral behavior and lack of self-awareness. Shocking his dog. Shocking his dog. Shocking his dog.